Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to cancel your Squarespace domain. Let's get right to it. First, you need to know if you are within the 5-day grace period. If you just registered your domain within the last 5 days, you can cancel it immediately for a full refund. Open your domain's dashboard, click on the domain you want to cancel, scroll down and click Cancel Domain. Confirm your choice and your domain will be deleted. If you've had your domain for more than 5 days, that cancel button will not be there. Instead, you have to let the domain expire naturally by turning off auto renew. Just open your domain's dashboard, select your domain, and switch the auto renew toggle to the off position. Once auto renew is off, your domain will still stay active until its next billing date. If you want to take your website offline immediately, you will also need to go into your DNS settings panel and remove the DNS records to fully disconnect the domain from your site. And that's it. Your domain is officially canceled. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.